Welcome to GK at Amosri.
What is the full form of GST? A. Goods and Supply Tax. B. General Sales Tax. C. Goods and Service Tax. D. Government Sales Tax. C. Goods and Service Tax. Where is the headquarters of GST Council is located? A. Noida. B. New Delhi. C. Mumbai. D. Chennai. B. New Delhi. What does I stands for in IGST? A. Internal. B. International. C. Intra. D. Integrated. D. Integrated. When GST is implemented in India? A. 1st July 2018. B. 1st July 2017. C. 1st July 2019. D. 1st July 2020. B. 1st July 2017. Which was the first state of India to pass GST bills? A. Assam. B. Kolkata. C. Gujarat. D. Delhi. A. Assam. What kind of tax is GST? A. Value added tax. B. Direct tax. C. Income tax. D. Indirect tax. D. Indirect tax. GST Council is chaired by which of the following? A. President of India. B. Prime Minister of India. C. Governor of RBI. D. Union Finance Minister. D. Union Finance Minister. How many types of GST is available in India? A2, B5, C4, D3. C4. What are the different types of GST slabs? A. 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. B. 5%, 10%, 18% and 25%. C. 5%, 12%, 19% and 28%. D. 5%, 10%, 15% and 26%. A. 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Which of the following goods will not covered under GST Act? A. Agriculture produce. B. Petroleum products. C. Gems and jewelry. D. Handicrafts. B. Petroleum products. Which country introduced GST first in the world? A. Japan. B. Malaysia. C. China. D. France. D. France. How many members are there in GST Council? A. 35, B. 33, C. 37, D. 39. B. 33. Which country has the highest rate of GST? A. India, B. China, C. France, D. USA. A. India. How will the goods and service can be classified in GST regime? A. GST code. B. HSN code. C. SAC code. D. SAC and HSN code. D. SAC and HSN code. What is HSN code stands for? A. Home shopping network. B. Harmonized system of nomenclature. C. Home street number. D. None of these. B. Harmonized system of nomenclature. What does SAC code stands for? A. Service accounting code. B. System accounting code. C. Service application code. D. None of these. service accounting code. Which product and services have 0% of GST at present? A. Domestic LPG, medicine and transport services. B. Newspaper, fresh vegetables and normal hotels. C. Mobile, nuts, ghee. D. Premium and luxury electronics. B. Newspaper, fresh vegetables and normal hotels. Which products and services have 5% of GST at present? A. Domestic LPG, medicine and transport services. B. Hair oil, ice cream, computer. C. Mobile, nuts, ghee. D. Premium and luxury electronics. A. Domestic LPG, medicine and transport services. Which goods and services have the rate of 12% of GST at present? A. Coal, domestic LPG, tea. B. Premium and luxury electronics. C. Mobile, nuts and business class air tickets. D. Hair oil, ice cream, computers. C. Mobiles, nuts and business class air tickets. Which product and services have the rate of 18% of GST? A. Premium and luxury electronics. B. Mobile, nuts, ghee. C. Ice cream, computer and telecommunication services. D. Coal, domestic LPG, tea. C. Ice cream, computer and telecommunication services. Which goods and services have the rate of 28% of GST at present? A. Premium and luxury electronics and 5-star hotels. B. Mobile, nuts, ghee. C. Hair oil, ice cream, computers. D. Coal, domestic LPG, tea. A. Premium and luxury electronics and 5-star hotels. Which is the tax-free state in India? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.